Welcome back. Thanks for joining. So today I would like to share a quick Christmas wall decor DIY. And we've all seen where the frames are covered with wrapping paper and with the bow on it. And I did that a few years back, but I wanted to do something different this year. And also I would like to share a simple canvas hack on how to add a smaller canvas over a larger one, and that is what I did over my credenza. Now, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I upload a variety of content, so hopefully some of it will spark your interest and you would like to subscribe to my channel. So come on in, guys, and let me share with you what I have for you today. So I'm using a frame that I've had for quite some time, and I'm just going to take the picture out and the glass. So I'm just going to be using the frame for this project. And then next, guys, I have some glitter cardstock that I got from the craft store, and I'm just going to cut it to fit in, but it's still going to be a little short, but I'll show you what I'm going to do with that as well. And now I'm just going to tape it down to the sheet that came with the frame and put it back in and add in the border and the backing that came with the frame. Now, because the frame is 11.5 by 14 and the cardstock is 12 by 12, two sides are going to be shorter. So I'm just going to fill it in with this bling ribbon that I have from Hobby Lobby. Once I finished cutting the ribbon to the size that I needed, I hot glued them down to the cardstock. And next, I'm going to make my bow with this Christmas ribbon that I gotten from Ross. Now, this is how I tie my bow. I just fold the ribbon like I'm doing it here, and then I'm going to use a twisty tie to make the bow. Now, I don't have the gadget that some people have to put the ribbon in to make the bow. I just didn't invest in that because I don't do projects like this often, and just felt the need to invest in that. So this is just how the quickest and the easiest way it is for me to tie my bow. Now here's the final look, and I did 2 of them, and I placed them on the wall over my fireplace that I have for my foyer and my dining area. Now for this hack, I found this canvas of this snowflake from a Goodwill. So this is a thrifted item that I have, and I knew when I bought it, it was too small for the wall that I wanted to place it on. So I took some of that same bling ribbon from the other project, hooked it on there from the rope in the back of the canvas, and then I took my stapler, my industrial stapler, and just stapled the ribbon to the wood that's on the larger canvas, and that's how I got it to stay on there. And here is the final look, and I'm really loving the way it came out, and I believe that the snowflake goes really well with the setup that I have on my credenza this year. And I have my sleigh and the reindeers, and all of my sleighs are thrifted items that I've gotten over the years. And I'm just loving the way I set it up this year with this picture. It brings in the wintry look, and then I have this faux fur table runner that I gotten about 3 years ago from Hobby Lobby. So I think the picture brings a nice added touch to this setup this year. Now guys, before I leave, I would like to share with you this Bible verse that we all can reflect on. And it says, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me. Bless his holy name." And it comes from Psalms 103 verse 1. And this is definitely a time of the year, guys, that we should bless the Lord with all our souls, because it is a time of year that we are celebrating his son, Jesus Christ's birthday. And it is truly a blessing that God gave us his son to this world to save us. So this is truly a blessing, and we should all bless God and be grateful and thankful for what he has done for us. Well guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it as I share with you the ideas that I have to enhance your Christmas decorations for this year. And like this video, share it, and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and go ahead and do that now so you can get notifications on all of my videos. My next video, guys, I will share my coffee bar and some of my decor in my kitchen, and then I will probably do one more video and just do the tour of my Christmas decoration throughout my home. And I do have a special area that I have never shared with you before that I will share this particular time of decor where I decorated. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.